If you're looking for a screen recording application to use or a screen capture tool, stay tuned. I'll be sharing all free screen capture applications or softwares. I'll also recommend 2 of my best free screen capture softwares that I personally use. Now, if you're a gamer or do tutorials online or YouTube, this info I'm sharing will be a game changer. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua from Realms of Glory Fusion. Hit subscribe if that sounds interesting to you. Now there is a reason why I just outlisted these free screen capture softwares, not because they don't work, but I prefer using this specific tool. Let me show you how to adjust their settings and show you how they work. First, OBS Studio. Now I won't be praising it, what it does speaks for itself. So this is our OBS interface. So now I'm going to be changing settings to fit our screen capture. I go straight to File, then go to Settings. As you see here, there are a couple of settings, but I want to stick with the output settings, the video that will come out. As you see, the first part here is for streaming. When you're streaming your video live, those are the settings you work with, but I'm going to be doing screen capture, so I come to recording, and these are the settings I'm working with. First of all, the recording path. You want to select a folder where your video will be saved after recording. Just select any folder of your choice. Then now we go to the recording quality. You select the quality you want of the video output. I think in this case I'll stick with the high quality medium size file. Then now we go to the recording format. In this case there are a couple of recording formats, but I'll stick with MP4. So after all my settings are done, I just go and click OK. Yeah, so now we are going to go to recording. As you see on your screen, on the bottom right of your screen, the couple of things here, and I'll go straight to start recording. So now the recording has begun, the screen capture has begun. So I just minimize OBS Studio here, and now my screen is available for capturing. It is now capturing everything on my screen. So if I go to like Premiere Pro, you can see it's opening there in a bit. So you can teach Premiere Pro. Just use OBS Studio to record the way you're doing your things on Premiere Pro. So you just open my new project. So I just click OK here. So now Premiere Pro is open. You can teach Premiere Pro. Yeah, so if you're done with recording, you come back there and stop the recording. So now let's go to our second recommendation. 2. VSDC Video Editor. This is a complete video editing application, but with a screen capture tool that captures quality picture on screen. If you're interested in learning video editing, you can check out the description. I have links to several videos I've made on VSDC Video Editor. Let's go straight how it works. So now we go to VSDC Video Editor. I come straight here to my screen capture. I click that. This screen comes up. As you see here, VSDC Screen Recorder. Here are the settings. This is the recommended format. You see there it's MPEG. Then the audio format is MP3. Then here the file destination, I've put it on desktop. So now you can customize the settings, and if we come here you can select a video format that we want, probably the one of 30 frames per second. Yeah, that will do. Then just come to start recording. As you see here, the boundary, that line at the boundary shows where your screen capture is, capturing all that part. As you see there, the boundaries capturing the whole screen. So yeah, up here is where you stop the recording, and here is where you select a specific part on your screen to record. So now here you can teach again, you can teach or play a game. So if I open Blender, I can teach Blender. As you see, Blender is open. I can teach Blender here. So I come here and click stop. This downer thing comes up, VSDC screen recorder. So here I stop it, and you see there that screen comes up, recording is completed. So I just click OK. And that is our file there that has been recorded. Our destination path was to the desktop.